This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about chopsticks, specifically these great bamboo chopstick options. We have several to show you. The first is a natural bamboo modern, which you can see features a nice, sleek, classic chopstick design in that great, warm, natural bamboo finish. Next is the natural bamboo twisted. And this one, as you can see, has a great little twist to those ends for just a little extra special detail and a nice touch of flair. And finally, we have the Chop Fork Duo. This one allows you to use it as chopsticks on one end and a fork on the other, making a nice universal tool to put out alongside meals. The traditional chopsticks are 9 inches in length, and the Chop Fork Duo is 10 inches long by 1.5 inches wide. There's also other options available in this line, including some made of cedar and others of carbonized bamboo. So there's a lot of great options so that you can really customize those table settings. These are the perfect eco-minded disposable option. They're all commercially compostable and biodegradable. Both the modern and twisted sets come wrapped individually in cello. So you have nice little pairs there that make that perfect sanitary presentation for your guests and are also great for including in to-go orders. The bamboo is not only eco-minded, but it's also sustainable as well. They're also incredibly strong, making them an excellent durable option that's suitable for use with both hot and cold foods. They feature a smooth finish, which means that even though these are disposable, your guests won't have to worry about the potential of splinters, which is fantastic. They're perfect for any restaurant that serves Asian cuisine that's looking for a great eco-minded disposable chopstick option to be used on tables or in with deliveries.